Okay, I have a question for you. Do you need help understanding the legal aspects of becoming an entrepreneur? I know a lot of you out there are entrepreneurs. Well, 7 News' Christine Scarpelli. She's live with the team in Spartanburg, looking to make that information accessible to anyone who wants it. Good morning, Christine. This is pretty cool.
And it's all the important stuff, too. Oh, yes, Sabila, absolutely. And really, really cool that it's open to the public. It's online, so very accessible during a pandemic. We're so glad to have Elise. She's going to tell us just a little bit more. Co-president of StartMe, co-founder, really, co-creator is the best word, I think, because this was a creation. Sure. This ground up StartMe has been very successful. Tell me more about that, if you don't mind.
Absolutely. So we have worked with over 60 businesses.
60?
Mm-hmm.
60.
In 4 years. And we have 10 businesses that have brick and mortar locations now. 6 of those we've done the ribbon cuttings for, so that's been really exciting for us. And about 80% of our entrepreneurs are still in business or working on their businesses. So that's a pretty high percentage for startups.
During a pandemic as well. Like, wow, very, very impressive. Now, this class on Thursday, it is via Zoom, and it is about the legal aspects of becoming a small business owner. Why are those things important?
You know, I think right now, especially with the pandemic, we have more and more people looking at entrepreneurship and really just being in control of their own destiny, if you will. And the beginning of that is really understanding those legal foundations. You know, you have lots of people who just don't know where to start. And unfortunately, there are so many, you know, just little blunders that you can make. And we want to make sure that people are aware of those things, aware of, you know, the insurance that you need to have, or the business licenses that you need to have, and where do you go to find those, and how much might it cost, and all of those things. And there's, you know, once you get started, you know, I don't know, I think you kind of think, okay, I'm just going to go out and do this, right? But the reality is, you know, sometimes you have to check off some boxes before, you know, you could be out at the farmer's market or wherever it is you want to be selling your products and services. And we want to make sure that people are aware of those boxes they need to check and get the expertise that they need.
Very good. An associate professor from USC Upstate is going to be teaching. He has been involved in corporate business and teaching for 2 decades, in fact. So that is a great and very qualified professor. Questions are welcomed as well. They would like you to register, even though this is free and online. StartMeSpartanburg.com, an easy place to go. We've got that link at WSPA.com. Apply, and at the bottom you just fill out a couple questions. Nothing too invasive there. Again, if you need help, check out our website. We've got it there. It's going to be an easy resource. You can see that's the professor right there. Look for his picture. Again, sign up is right now. You can register anytime up until Thursday, the 23rd, 6:30 p.m. until 8 p.m. to learn all about that, the legal aspects of being an entrepreneur. Guys, we'll send it back to you.
Yeah, a lot to learn, and it's great they have that resource for them. All right, Christine, thanks so much. Fred?
Next on Carolina Morning, hot temperatures at the track and a heated situation for drivers as NASCAR races in Texas.
You're watching Carolina Morning on 7 News. Stay with us on